I'm Carol, I'm from Budge's Bus, and I thought I'd show you my silicone toys for in the camper. Sorry. Anyway, to carry on.
Well, good afternoon folks, welcome back to Budge's Bus. My name's John.
I'm Carol. And
I'm taking over from Carol. She got herself into a fit of giggles. Her intro was to introduce you to her wonderful silicone toys. And then she got the giggles. I think it sounded better in her head than it did when it came out of her mouth. But yeah, it's not what was going through her mind after she said it. It's these wonderful silicone toys. We started buying these a couple of years ago to try and save space in the motorhome. You've got what we've all seen, the folding bucket. 10 litre bucket, folds down as we know to nothing. We've also got the colander, again no bigger than a side plate. Then comes the important things, my cup of tea in the morning, the kettles. It's a litre kettle, just big enough for 3 mugs of tea, or 2 mugs of tea and a mug of coffee. This one is for the hot plate or the gas hob. Next is another kettle. Again, it's 1 litre. And this is the electric one. The brilliant things about them is, like I say, what they fold down to. You know, which a lot of difference.
You can't compare.
You know, the sizes of these. And finally, we've got the washing up bowl. That also, when it's not in use, makes a good tray. So, that's Carol's
My little toys.
wonderful silicone toys. So, that is it really. That's all we got really to show you on this one. I could show you where we store them. As you know, with these things, if you've got 2 kettles, electric one in this one, a whole cupboard's used up. With these, what we can do is, let me just pan the camera down, where we store them is here in the cutlery drawer.
Simples.
There you go. They hide away quite nicely. That's it really for this video. Hope it gives you some ideas on trying to save yourself some space in your motorhome. And Carol with her wonderful toys is still giggling about it. So in the next couple of videos we've got a new radio to put in. I'll be putting that in the near future, so that should be up on the next video. Also, we've ordered the self-leveling system. I don't know if any of you has tried leveling a tag axle motorhome. It's not the easiest thing, and with the bursters we even get the back steady legs that come down, and when you've got kids running around in a camper it wobbles, and a bit of wind and they rock, So we decided to spend the money.
Yeah.
So we're just waiting for those to arrive at the garage, and then they'll be installed for us. So hopefully I'll be able to video some of that and share with you. So for now, take care, stay safe and happy travelling to you all. Bye for me.
Goodbye for me.
Alright then. We now clear up her wonderful toys. Catch you in the next video, folks. Bye for now.
Take care.